If you can get these 3 things right, you're off to the races. Your hobby channel will grow, your audience will build, and one day, yes, one day, it could even replace your full-time income. In this video, I'm just gonna talk about my 4-year experience with my Rookie Handyman channel, and I'm going to try to condense it into a 3-part framework that I would follow if I were starting a hobby YouTube channel completely from scratch today. Now, I call this framework the YouTube Hobby Blueprint because my community is called YouTube Hobby Academy, and I taught this system to more than 60 members in the last couple of months since we started this community. So let's just say that I'm starting my YouTube channel about my hobby and I have 0 experience and I'm starting completely from scratch. That means I'm on level number 1. Just start. And this level 1 is like first test drive. It's like first few dates with YouTube. You're just feeling it out. You just want to see if this relationship with YouTube has some potential. And on this level, you just need to make your first 3 videos. Whatever comes to your mind, you can make video about it. It can be short form, it can be long form, you can film it with your phone, you can also film it with the webcam, it really doesn't matter. You can show your face on those videos, or you don't have to show your face. You can just film process of you doing something and filming that process. And this is basically what I did with my Rookie Handyman channel. I just got sick of all that procrastination and that feeling of not doing anything with YouTube. And when I got sick, I just took out my phone and I filmed the first thing that came to my mind in that moment. And guess what? My first video on my Rookie Handyman channel was about how to refill a mechanical pencil. The second video, how to disassemble and reassemble mechanical pencil. Now, this was something that I did out of desperation. I just wanted to film something and I had some mechanical pencils on my work desk and I was like, okay, I can do this, I'm gonna film this. And I just filmed the process. I didn't have my face in it and I just filmed the process, and later I did like voice over this footage. And the third video, I was like, okay, I have one broken light in my bathroom. I'm just gonna film the process of how to remove it, replace it, and put it back in. And that is exactly what I did. Now, I didn't show my face in these videos, and my English was very bad 4 years ago, and it is not so good today even. I hope you can understand me right. But uploading my first 3 videos got me to the point where I just started thinking about what I really wanted to do with YouTube. Are these pencils really something that I want to talk about for a couple more years, or maybe this do-it-yourself repairs in my house, maybe this is something a little bit more attractive and a little bit more sustainable to me. So that is what happened with my first 3 videos, because let's be honest here, YouTube is a long game. If you want to have any success on YouTube, any real success, you have to be able to do it for a couple of years, for sure. And that's why it's important to play around with those first videos on your channel. As you can see right here, I have been talking about pencils, lights, shoelaces, toilets. I even did some fruit videos. Whatever came to my mind, how to inflate a tire, whatever came to my mind, I made a video about it in those first 10 to 20 videos, because I was searching myself and I just wanted to see if this YouTube gig is really for me. Now, if you want to speed up this process and if you want to have a little bit of unfair advantage over some other YouTube creators, I highly recommend to go and check our YouTube Hobby Academy. As you can see, we have a community of like-minded people who just want to share their knowledge and who want to grow on YouTube. And right here in Classroom, we have courses that will take you from complete beginner who never uploaded any video. We will help you step by step to set up your channel and to do everything you need to do around your channel and to upload your first videos. And if you already have a YouTube channel, we also have a full YouTube course that will take your channel to the next level. So if you were waiting for some sign to pull that trigger on YouTube, this is your sign. This YouTube Academy is completely free. You have nothing to lose. Just join our community and let's get you started. Now, this brings us to the level number 2, your next 10 to 15 videos. And I call this level Get Better. Get just a little bit better. The point of these next 10 to 15 videos is to just get better at the craft of making videos. Yes, we are still exploring our niche and we are still experimenting with content and we are getting used to the fact that we are a YouTuber now. But there are a lot of skills that you need to master in order to have a successful YouTube channel. There's titles, thumbnails, filming, storytelling, uploading content, description of your videos, what should be there, what should not be there, how to edit your videos the fastest way possible, and so on. Because you are now starting from scratch. You are not good at these things and you don't have any experience with filming and editing your videos. And that's why you need to spend those next 10 to 15 videos to improve your skills on getting familiar with everything that you need to know in order to film and edit a good YouTube video. We are still making videos on whatever we feel like, or whatever we enjoy doing, or what is easy to film to us. It doesn't matter what the video is about. What matters is that we are getting better at the craft of making videos and we are not trying to overthink our niche at this point. And in this process, to be honest, you are learning more and more about yourself. You are breaking your limiting beliefs about what's possible on YouTube. You are confronting your emotions about fear of judgment from other people, and little by little you will realize that this YouTube, it's just one big ecosystem and you are just one small dot in this universe, and that can be very liberating. It gives you a freedom to do whatever you like around your hobby. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, it would be a huge help if you would give us a thumbs up. Apparently, it helps with the YouTube algorithm, so let's get this video to more people out there. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so once you have your first 15 to 20 videos published and you have decided that this YouTube gig is for you and you can see yourself doing it for a couple of years now, it's time to move to the level 3. And I call this level Work Smarter. And on this level, you just need to understand what is important to YouTube to push your video and to push your channel to more people out there. And this really comes down to only 3 things. And these 3 things are: number 1, click; number 2, watch time; and number 3, satisfaction. Let's cover this step by step. Number 1, no one is ever gonna watch your video unless they click on your video. So the first step to success on YouTube is earning that click. Your titles and your thumbnails need to be intriguing enough to make someone click on your video. By the way, in my community, YouTube Hobby Academy, I have in this full YouTube course, I have a 20-minute breakdown. Where is it? Thumbnail analysis, live thumbnail design. I have here 20-minute breakdown on how I designed YouTube thumbnails for my Rookie Handyman channel, and you can follow this process step by step. So if you are interested, make sure to check it out. Number 2, watch time. YouTube algorithm cares a lot about how much of your video is actually being watched. It's trying to serve the right video to the right people at the right time. So if the viewer is watching a lot of your video, it means that they are getting a continuous value from your video. So watch time is a great signal to YouTube to promote your video to more people that are similar. And it's basically searching for people who could enjoy your content. And number 3 is satisfaction. If people are liking and commenting on your videos, and more importantly, if people decide to watch your next video after they finish one video, this is a clear signal to YouTube that you provide value. to your viewers, and it will push your video to more and more people. Once we understand what it takes for YouTube to push your videos, let's talk a little bit about strategy on how to do it. Because there are basically gazillion of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, and you need to make your videos to stand out a little bit on YouTube from the rest of the crowd. And there are only two ways that you can do this. You either need to have unique value in your videos, or you need to have unique personality, or you need to have some combination of these two. Let me explain on my examples. For example, my channel Rookie Handyman. When you go to the popular videos, as you can see right here, I am providing unique value on this channel. Now, unique personality, not so much. Yes, you can see my face in these videos, but personality, not so much. But every video talks about how to fix something, or how to do something, how to repair something, what tips and tricks you can learn from watching this video. So basically, you are getting unique value from these videos. Now, on my second channel, Irfan, right here I am combining unique value and unique personality, because right here, as you can see from these thumbnails, I am showing myself as a rookie handyman who has already made his YouTube channel successful, his hobby YouTube channel successful. And on this channel, I am just giving you tips and tricks on how you can make your hobby successful. So I am combining unique value and I am combining unique personality together. Now, if you are watching this video because you have a hobby, and if you have a hobby, you are probably excellent at your hobby, and this means that you already have this unique value piece sorted out, and this means that you can be successful on YouTube because you can provide unique value to your viewers, and all it takes is just a little bit of action to get you going. But if you are still not sure just how profitable YouTube channel can be around your hobby, check out this video right here, where I'll show you behind the scenes analytics and I'll break down all of my Rookie Handyman earnings.